The founding of the network came from something very simple but very powerful. Over the years, through my work with community repair initiatives and interaction with young repairers across Africa, including Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, South Sudan, Rwanda, South Africa, and Ghana, we realized that there is a lack of repair forum for repairers to discuss repair work, including achievements and challenges that they face. Lack of access to repair tools and manuals, lack of recognition of repairers across the continent by governments, yet the repairers contribute to the GDP of the countries where they work. And also there is lack of repair data, and this becomes very difficult for repairers to advocate for a legislation that supports their work. Also, second-hand imported electronic devices, usually when they arrive in the country or in the continent, they become waste, and there are no systems that support the repairers' work in order to repair and maintain these devices. And this is where the right to repair becomes crucial. For Africa, the right to repair is not just an environmental issue, it is an economic justice, it is about dignity, it is about livelihood and sovereignty. A meaningful right to repair in Africa must include access to spare parts, access to technical information and repair manuals, protection from unfamiliar or unfair warranty restrictions, and policies that recognize and support repair as a vital sector of the economy. And if we get this right, we strengthen local businesses, we create jobs, green jobs for young people, we reduce waste, electronic waste, and we keep money in circulation in our communities instead of sending it abroad. The African Repairers Network is founded to connect repairers, amplify their voices, and to make sure repairers are no longer invisible and not left behind in the global repair movement, but recognized, empowered, and heard. Because repair is not just fixing things, it's about sustaining lives, communities, and our future, reducing pressure on Africa's minerals. Thank you.